Ayaw kong tanda, Ibi.
Fits up, please.
What?
Ka naman na nasa sinihan.
Go, kaya ka to. Don't. Ikat sa.
Juliet, please don't tanday-tanday me. Yeah, that's the English.
Sandra, by the way.
Please don't tanday.
Sa may kuwanan.
Ana, murag na 10 minutes na loading ako. Please don't tanday me.
Ayaw ko tanday, bit. Sumuka. Don't. Oh! Sa English tanday gani. Don't hug me.
I don't understand.